Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Ice cream. Hello, Beng. Happy birthday. Wish lang namin sa'yo good health. Tsaka, miss na miss ka na namin. Pakain ka naman dito.
Yan. Happy birthday, Bobeng. Padala ka naman ng pansit dito.
Beng, happy birthday! Gusto namin ng pansit. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Cash na lang, Beng. Cash.
Gcash na lang, padala mo kay Ate Melbourne. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Beng.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ron Brian.
Happy birthday kay Bobeng!
Happy birthday kay Bobeng. Yan.
Happy birthday, Beng. More birthdays to come. Good health and God bless.
Hi, Beng! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and success. Yung gift ko, Gcash ko na lang.
Hello, Brian! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging successful ka sa buhay at good health, of course, and also yung love life nyo still going strong, and hopefully wedding na soon, marriage life, ganon. Happy birthday again! Bye! Happy birthday, Bobeng!
Hello, Beng. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang pakasal na kayo ni Jewel nang mga kahabol ka na sa akin. Luhuran mo na siya, Beng. Ha? At sana magkaroon ka ng negosyo na magsusustain para sa inyo ni Jewel. God bless, Beng. Paalog ka na.
Happy birthday, Bray.
Sige, wala na. Happy birthday, Beng.
Happy birthday, Bray.
Sana maraming kagawan pa ang dumating sa'yo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Bobeng! All the way here from Canada. Alam mo na, kaya hirap tayong bumangon. Ayun lang, birthday mo ngayon, and I hope masaya ka. And for sure, this time, talagang sobrang masaya yung celebration nyo kasi with Jewel. And yun lang, wish ko lang sa'yo, stay blessed, and lahat sana ng mga nakaset ninyong goals and dreams, matupad mo, both of you ni Jewel. And ayun lang, miss na miss ko lang kayo, yung mga tawanan natin, nagtatrabaho tayo dati, yun yung mga happy moments natin. Sana may pagkakataon na magkita-kita tayo lahat. Ayun lang, enjoy your day, and be blessed, always seek God. Enjoy, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Brian. Wish you all the best in life. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. More birthdays to come, and mag-iingat kayo palagi ni Jewel. Happy birthday ulit!
Ron, happy birthday! Enjoy your day, magpakabait ka, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Rides na!
Hi, Ron. Maligayang pagtanda at mag-asawa ka na.
Beng! Happy birthday, boy! Ride sa tayo nila rin. Yes!
Boy, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday na dumaan at mapag-inom. Tapos huwag ka na maliligo pa nag-next ride tayo, ha? Yun lang. Happy birthday, men.
Hi, Ron! Happy birthday! More babies, birthdays to come. God bless always, Ron. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ron. Happy birthday. More blessings sa business and more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Brian! Oh, sige na. Yun na yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ambag kayo. Bakla kayo. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Brian. Imala mo sa akin motor mo. Pag-aki ko. Ayoko na.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian.
Love you.
Love you.
Like this. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Juno. Happy birthday, Juno. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tito Brian, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Brian. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday ulit. More birthdays to come. And God bless.
Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
2, 3. Happy birthday, Brian. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Brian. More birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi Kuya Bri, gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo at mag-iingat palagi. At ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana maging healthy ka at sana mas maging success ka pa. Ayun, thank you sa lahat Kuya Beng. Alam mo naman na yun. Yun, ingat palagi and more birthday to comes. Yun lamang po.
Hi Bri, sensya na, naka-face mask. Nasa office eh. Malakas sa akin si Jewel eh. Greetings daw para sa Celebram. Happy birthday, Brian. God bless you more. I just wish you will stay cool and understanding, loving to your parents and to your siblings, and praying that very soon you will build your own family, of course with Jewel. So love you guys. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Happy birthday, Brian. Wish you all the best. Good health. Keep safe. God bless.
Happy birthday, Brian. Wish you all the best. Love you.
Hi, Brian. Happy birthday.
Hello, Brian. Happy birthday. Stay safe always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Brian Pamangkin. Wish you all the best. God bless. I love you. Ingat palagi, ha?
Happy birthday. God bless at I love you.
Hi, Tito Brian. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sana'y
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bunso, Brian. Happy 29th birthday. I wish na lahat ng wishes mo sa buhay ay matutupad. Magpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay ka sa akin. Kahit sumpungin, mabait ka pa rin na anak kasi concern ka sa amin lagi. Kahit sumpungin ka anak, masungit kung minsan, okay lang yun nak kasi sa totoo lang mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Pagtiyagaan mo na lang si Papa mo kasi ilan ang panahon ng buhay namin, saka nakita mo naman kung gaano kayo kamahal ni Papa mo. Panahon nyo naman ngayon para mahalin nyo siya. Pakita nyo sa kanya na mahal nyo siya at unawain nyo kung anong meron siya. Kayo na lang ang gift mo sa amin sa birthday mo na pangunawa ang bibigay mo sa amin. So, we thank Lord kasi nagkaroon kami ng anak na kagaya mo, gwapo, isa na lang kulang. Bigyan mo kami ng apo, kasi pogi mo, kasing ganda ni Jewel. Yun na lang ang wish ko sa iyo. Happy birthday na ulit. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas maraming birthday para yung mission mo sa buhay ay matutupad mo. Love you, Nak. Very, very much. Buwah.